We are going to use the for loop activity to copy a couple of the files which are available in input container, and we want to copy them to output container. Let's get started. I'm going to create a new pipeline, and in this pipeline I would be able to use the get metadata, and this activity helped me to understand how many files are available in a container. For example, in input container, 3 CSV files, employee, customer, and product. Using this metadata, we would be able to see these files. Let's see how we can do that. So in setting, I'm going to add a new data set for that. Okay, and link service, I'm going to use this one. Input. Okay, now in the field list, add a new one, and in this drop down you are able to see a couple of the possibilities like child item, exist item name, item type, last modified. So by choosing each one of them, we are, for example, for the last modified, we would be able to see last modified of the file which are available in that container, or item types, or item names, or even they are exist or not, or we can see the child item. For this case, I'm going to use this child item, and let's debug it. It is in queue. Okay, succeed. And let's see what is the output. As you can see here is a JSON format, and we are able to see all of the child items which are available in that particular container. Products CSV, customer CSV, and employee CSV. Okay, now let's add another activity which is for each. Let's come to here, and for each activity. In this activity, we want to do the for each on all of those files which are available in input container and copy them to the another container which is output container. So let's connect these two to each other, and then here in this for each we are saying that for setting what is the items at dynamic items, and we are going to choose this get metadata child items because the input gonna be this for each activity. And then what we want to do inside this for each activity, we want to do copy. So by clicking this icon, all of the activities are available for me here, which are listed here, and copy is the one that I am looking for. So choose this one, and then let's configure this copy activity. Click on this one, source, new. The source is available in the blob storage. This is the blob storage that I choose that one, and continue, and they are CSV files. Continue, and link service is going to be this one I already created, and this is the container, and okay. And we are going to use this wildcard file, and then here add a dynamic, and item going to be current item in the for each, and then in top of that the name of that one. Okay, that is this, and then For the sync, we need to add the dataset for the sync as well, Azure Blob Storage, and then it's gonna be a JSON file in this case. Continue, and the same link service to connect to the Blob Storage, and we want to see them in the output. Before running the pipeline, I want to navigate to the containers. This is the input container. There are 3 CS files available here: employee, customer, and product. And let's get back to the output. In output, we don't have anything. Let's see by running this pipeline what happened. So debug. Queue in progress. Get metadata queue. Because we had 3 files in our container, as you can see, there are 3 copy activities happening here, and all of them are successful now. Okay, let's see in output, navigate into output and refresh it. Yes, all of the file has copied into output container.